everyone, it's Penny. Just want to show you a video for our 6-week challenge of Kyle doing freezer prep meals. He's been able to save over 10 hours a week in being able to prepare meals like this. So we use a program called Family Freezer. It's super easy, and today we're going to show you how to make 6 meals in 2 hours. And that, my friends, is how you make 6 meals in 2 hours. Happy cooking! Okay, so you're just able to see Kyle making 6 meals in 2 hours, and now I want to show you just really quickly what the Family Freezer looks like inside. So these are designed specifically as freezer meals that you can make ahead of time, which saves you tons of time when it comes to menu planning and shopping and preparing all the meals. So we're inside the dashboard of the Family Freezer, and they have so many recipes. If you have food sensitivities or anything going on, you're able to search any of the meals by food type. So this is a couple places where we've created some weekly meal plans. This is the most recent one we did. This is the way you could search anything you're looking for. Like if you're looking to make chicken, you search that, and it is so awesome to be able to show you lots of different possibilities. If you are interested in this, just wanted to share, we are not getting affiliate referral. The pricing is a one-time membership of $97, super easy, and we have found it hugely valuable. If you are interested in also getting the freezer bags as well as the bag holders, we got them on Amazon, and it's much more affordable. So if this is something you want to do, after you purchase, you'll, number 1, do your weekly menu. Number 2, you'll print your recipes. And number 3, make your shopping list, which with bulk shopping, it makes it so super easy. And number 4, you prep your meals once a week, and it makes it so simple, which saves you tons of time when it comes to menu planning and shopping and preparing all the meals. And that, my friends, is how you make 6 meals in 2 hours. Happy cooking!